Hello doctors and parents, a very good afternoon to all of you. Hope you guys doing absolutely fine. Today in this session we're gonna discuss about the NEET PG 2023 All India Round 3, States Round 2, as well as we also gonna discuss about some court case which is happening for your All India Round 3, some blockers and everything. So we're gonna discuss the complete details regarding that, as well as we also gonna discuss about your NEET PG 2023 revised draft, that exactly what are the possibilities, whether it will be happening or not, at what will be the expected date, rumors and everything. Before that, if you are new on this channel, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel Admission Media, then do subscribe it, as well as if you haven't joined our Telegram channel Admission Media, then do join it, because whatever the latest update, the information, the PDF, we are continuously posting there. So if you haven't joined it, do join it, as well as you can join our WhatsApp community group regarding your NEET PG 2023 revised draft. The link is in comment section as well as description box. You can directly join there. It's a totally private community, means your contact details won't be visible to other, so you don't have to worry about your privacy and everything. अगर अभी तक आपने join नहीं किया है, till now if you haven't joined it, you can join it. Let's talk about the All India Round 3 registration as well as the choice filling date. The registration is ending today, that is 12th of September till 12 p.m. That is within 15, when this video will be published, almost the registration will be over. So those candidates who have not registered till now, they will be given a chance to register in the fourth round, that is All India Straight Round. Round 3 registration will be over by today itself. And if I talk about the choice filling and the closing, locking date, the choice filling will be ending tomorrow, that is 13th of September till 11:55 p.m. and approximately in around tomorrow evening, on 13th of September around 5 to 6 p.m. your locking will be also started as per the given schedule. If no further changes will be made, then the locking will be starting. And those candidates who have been locked, अगर आप lock भी नहीं करते हो, it's a totally auto lock system. So whatever the choices will be filled up in your counseling portal, it will be automatically got locked. So even if you haven't locked it, no need to worry at all. The choice filling is till tomorrow. So till tomorrow you have time to do your choice filling. Now if I talk about the states round 2, those candidates who have already got their seat in states round 2 and those who have joined the seats, multiple states has given a multiple facility. Like if I talk about the Gujarat, they have asked you, if you're going to participate in All India Round 3, you have to, you want to resign your seat, then the timing is till today, that is 3 p.m. Odisha till 6 p.m. MP, the upgradation and everything is there. If I talk about the UP, the seat resigning penalty and everything is there. So those candidates or those states who is allowing you to resign your seat after this All India Round 3 result, till then you can participate in All India, as well as you can have a seat in your state also. And if you got any seat in your All India, you can resign your state seat, that is if they have given time till then. Otherwise you have to take a decision whether you want to join in your state seat or you are pretty sure that you will be getting a seat in All India. Then you can leave the seat and you can come to All India. As the same happened for your All India Round 2, because it is clearly mentioned in the MCC notification that resigning is till the Round 2 only. If any no changes made, possibilities are low that any further change or any further resigning date will be available, because multiple of the candidates are there in All India who has already joined us in, went for the upgradation. At the same time they got the seat in UP counseling and the multiple states there in their states round 2 as well. But as the registration resigning date is already over, so you can't resign your seat. If you are resigning your seat, you will be paying penalty and everything, 3-year fees penalty, as well as they will be also debarring you from your counseling as well as some legal action can be also taken. So take care of these things. While if I talk about a court case is happening regarding a court case is happening in your Bombay High Court. The date of hearing is 18th of September. The main reason is that, the main point of the court case, as per the rumors and as per the multiple obligations, the main point is to, if you have already joined your state round 2 seat, you have to be eliminated from your All India Round 3 first. The second point is there that if the All India Round 3 should be happening only when the state round 2 completed. In this case, both possibilities are very low. Even the matter is in Supreme Court, matter is in the High Court. Let's see what the judgment comes. But the possibilities is low. The main reason is that if state round 2, if you're gonna look at the state round 2, the multiple states has not completed their state round 2, like Karnataka, Andhra, Telangana, the round 1 is still happening, the reporting is ongoing. The round 2 is yet to start. If I talk about the Karnataka, the round 2 notification is not even here. If I talk about Tamil Nadu, the result has been published today itself for your state round 2. So if your counseling going to be stretched more, then only anything can be happen. And if I talk about the states round 2, those candidates who have already joined their state seat and they should be eliminated from your All India round 3, then this is not can be a valid point to stand out, because MCC or the counseling authority is giving you a chance to upgrade your seat. Because if this is the rule, then why you have given the upgradation from round 2 to round 3? The upgradation should not be there. If you have got a seat in All India round 1, join it or leave it. If you don't got the seat, again come to the round 2, join it or leave it. If state or the government is already giving the upgradation rule, then saying that all those candidates who have already joined their state round 2 seat should be eliminated from All India round 3. It is illegal. It is not gonna possible. It's their right, because if you have got already pathology, it's your right to upgrade the seat, apply in the All India round 3, get a better seat. These are not gonna happen. Even in the last year, things were totally different. Rules were different. In this session, MCC has changed all the rules. The new rules has been given, and as per the rules, the states have already made their rule. And if your state is already giving you a resigning date, then you can resign your seat and you can join your better seat, whatever you got, either you got in your All India or you got in your state. If All India has already given you that you won't be allowed to participate in your state round 2, you won't be allowed to resign your seat, which simply means whatever the seats these candidates are gonna block in the round 2, these seats will be going to the round 3. And again, those candidates available there, they will be getting a benefit. So saying that it's a seat blocking is not gonna what it mean exactly. It simply means upgradation, and if upgradation is seat blocking, then the seat blocking is happening since All India round 1 itself. So you have to reconcile your everything, cancel your all the rules and regulations and start your counseling since the beginning. But let's see, the matter is already in court case, so nothing can be said. If I talk about the All India round 3 result, the choice filling is till tomorrow. If I talk about the provisional result, as per the schedule, the provisional result is expected on 14 or 15 September. The final result will be on the 16th of September, and after that, this hearing will be there. So let's see exactly at what hearing comes, whether the result will be happening or not. But till now, you can proceed as per the current rules and regulation. If any changes made by the High Court or the Supreme Court, the rules and the time will be given and allotted to each candidate. So no need to worry at all. But be cautious. If you have already got your seat and joined in your seat in your state round 2, and your state is not giving you a resigning option, then no need to fill your choice filling, because it can also be possible that after this resigning date, all the states will be sharing their list with All India, and they might eliminate you, because indirectly you will be holding a seat which is not gonna taken by you, even because you don't have a resigning timing. So it's your favor, and I will request you to all those candidates who are doing this, don't do it, because there are multiple other candidates who are still looking for a seat which you gonna hold or which you gonna hold for some time, so it's not gonna mean anything to you. But if I talk about the revised cutoff, for revised candidates, those who are continuously waiting, मतलब कि अगर मैं revised cutoff की बात करूं, या those candidates who are waiting for your All India revised cutoff, the revised cutoff will be published on the NB website as well as followed by the MCC also. They will be giving you, whenever the revised cutoff will come, there will be a seat available for you to join it. But if you're looking for a higher clinical branches or NRI branches itself, then it can be a question, it can be a question part, whether at that moment when the revised cutoff come, you will be having a seat or not for higher clinical in a NRI seat. Because round 3 in itself, the seats will be converted to management, and it will be allotted to all the candidates. So let's see when it does come. We have already posted a clear-cut video that up to what rank it is expected. When exactly it came, we have posted a video 3 to 4 days back. If you haven't watched it, do watch it. But I will be also requesting you, no need to panic at all, no need to harm your health, because taking stress and taking in panic punch situation or anxiousness not gonna help you out. Whenever the revised cutoff will be there, we'll be updating you what can be the expected date, what can be the expected time, what can be the possibilities. We have already posted a video, so no need to ask again and again. We have already said And I also request to all those counselor or those people who are continuously saying it will be by coming anytime, anyway, no need to spread any kind of rumor, because it can also cause cardiac arrest to a candidate. Because yesterday a candidate has messaged that, and their family is very worried about it, because as per this their situation is very panic. So I will be also requesting you to not to spread any fraud news, any fake news, or those people who are claiming you that it can be revised any moment, the colleges has got mail. I won't be saying any comment on that, no comments from our team, neither from our side, but I just request you to not to believe on these things, not to spread rumors. Whenever the revised cutoff will be there, it will be officially updated on your MB website as well as MCC, followed by MCC also, as well as we will be also sharing it. Till then, just hold your breath, be patient, take good care of health, because as I mentioned, taking stress not gonna revise it by today itself. Taking consciousness, taking these things not gonna help you out. Till then, you can wait, as well as you can mail to MCC, NB and the MOHF, as well as you can ask the multiple authorities like FIAMA, Federation, FODA is there, IMA is there, ABBP is there. You can contact these people, you can ask them to be in your support and ask for the revised cutoff. But as we have mentioned in our previous video that it will be there, so no need to panic at all. What are the chances that it will be there? We have already cleared that, so not gonna repeat the same thing again and again. This is it in this video. Till then, stay good care of your health. Whatever the things will happen, we will be updating you. Till then, no need to spread any kind of rumor that aaj hi aa jayega, abhi aa jayega. Don't believe on these things. Whenever it will be there, we will be updating you, and we have already said that what are the chances for it, up to what rank it can come. And those people who are saying that seats नहीं vacant होगी हमारे लिए, believe me, 1010% सीट्स आपके लिए अवेलेबल रहेंगी, चाहे जब आए, वेदर आज आ जाए, कल आ जाए, परसों आ जाए, एक महीने बाद आए, जब भी आएगा सीट्स वैकेंट रहेंगी आपके लिए. कहाँ पे सीट मिल सकती है, किस बजट में मिल सकती है, किस रैंक पे मिल सकती है, हाउ टू गेट अ कंफर्म सीट, बिकॉज वेन एवर द रिवाइज कट ऑफ विल बी देयर, द सीट्स विल बी अवेलेबल फॉर यू, बट इट टोटली डिपेंड्स अपॉन यू दैट हाउ यू आर टारगेटिंग द सीट. Because if you are thinking to participate sitting at your home, it's not gonna help you, because multiple states has already planned, and since the video we have already said कि स्टेट्स प्लानिंग कर रहे हैं अपने मॉप अप एज वेल एज स्टे राउंड को ऑफलाइन करने के लिए. राजस्थान इन नीट यूजी दे हैव क्लियरली मेंशन दैट इट विल बी ऑफलाइन. Multiple more states will be coming forward and the counseling will be offline, but it doesn't mean that the colleges will be having authority. Only a counselor and the expert counselor can help you out to get your branch, can help you to get your dream branch. And we are continuously saying, if you have a branch preference, you have to compromise with your state or college option, or if you have a state or college option, then you have to be ready to compromise with your branch option. In the both case, if you are agree, we can get the seat for you, and no need to worry at all. Revised cutoff will be there. Let's see when it comes, whatever the things will be there, we'll be updating you. Thank you, and thank you so much for watching this video.